Discuss about most expensive keyword in USA. The top 10 most expensive Google keywords: insurance, loans, mortgage, attorney, credit, lawyer, donate, degree, hosting and claim. So first we are discuss about insurance. Main purpose it's why we are discuss about insurance, because we get many more income from YouTube. So first we are check how many income we get from YouTube to making content on insurance. So we are searching the value of keyword of insurance. So its website already open, so we are open other website to see the click per. So we are find that insurance get 60 CPC. It means click per content other. Check this. Insurance give $60 per click. Why do these AdSense keyword pay so much? Because the campaigns behind ad have high customer value and can afford to spend a few hundred bucks customer. So how can you profit from the data and raise thousands of dollars each month? So first we are think that what kind content we make on this topic. So we are going this website YouTube ranker and search the topic. So we are click on title generate, because each content viral with this title. So click on title generate, and there we are put insurance and generate title. Then we are find how many content, like everything you need to about insurance. First content. Second content is how to become an insurance expert. Third content, it is time to open up about insurance. Fourth content, the expert guide insurance. Fifth content, insurance explained. Sixth content, what is the idea behind insurance? Seventh content, here what do you want now about insurance? Seventh content, the insurance revolution is coming. Ninth, insurance finally revealed. And last, how to plan a perfect insurance. These content give us many more amount in dollar from YouTube. Understand? So first we are make content on this. So how can we find data about this content? So we are copy and find the data on Chrome, put there. No, it's wrong. Where we have, so first we are copy this. How we copy everything you need about know about insurance. There we put everything we know about insurance. INSURANCE. Company many product renters insurance tax. They give us data. So we click on what is insurance and why it's so important. What is insurance? The concept of insurance is very simple to understand. You pay monthly or yearly fee to the insurance company to insure your life, health, vehicle and property, etc. for a certain period. It returns the insurance pay off of financial damage in case of any harm to the insurance person or object. So you are transferring the risk of financial loss you may experience due to life uncertainties. So we read about this, and we are found main topic of insurance, and we are find the type of insurance. The most three important insurance are life insurance first, okay, and second health insurance, and third liability insurance. So the data complete our three topic of insurance. Understand? Insurance ensure family financially stability. So we are make content on insurance. Then next step is how we get highly income from YouTube. So it's trick. So let's open your channel YouTube. First you go searching bar on YouTube and show put there insurance, INSURANCE, insurance. Okay, what is insurance? They content are Indian, but we find USA content. So we open our VPN in USA and find the content our own and refresh this site. They content are other country. So first we click on this, okay, watch the video, okay, like, subscriber, okay. So it's help us to show ad on our video of insurance. Skip ad, watch some video firstly. Then next we click on this insurance on work, okay, watch the video, subscribe this channel to get ads on our channel of insurance, okay. Then next other video watch. We watch many 30-40 video to make audience of insurance on our channel. It's benefit us to get highly income on YouTube. Then you can view the video, subscriber. Next video of other searching, search again. Go back, and there are our content. Click on this, watch the video insurance, subscribe this channel. Next the future of insurance, watch this video, subscribe this, and okay. Then next video click on this, it's already subscriber, so click on new channel. So we get back and click there, find the other channel and subscribe it. It's help us to increase ad on our video of insurance of other. So we cancel it. How we are make insurance? Now we are make insurance content and get highly income. Okay, bye.